That's an open-ended question. What technologies will have high impact in the future? I think what we're seeing at the moment, and we're seeing it quite rapidly, is a fusion of the biological sciences and the information sciences period. So it goes beyond AI. We're seeing a capacity to manipulate and write genomes. Again, we actually need an involvement of an AI to do that properly, but we really are truly seeing a fusion of the biological and information sciences, which is opening absolutely transformative technologies that we probably can't quite predict or name currently. But I would imagine that the future would see explosive growth in this area and the emergence of disciplines that we can't even imagine currently. Yeah, exactly. So new capacities to manipulate genomes. And equally, we're getting much smarter about the risks of that and much more careful with that. But we're realizing also the genome itself is highly self-organized. We need, and also massively data heavy. And yet this fusion of biology and information science is liberating entirely new disciplines. And it's happening at such a pace. I mean, just in terms of my life as a scientist, we've gone from, when I was at school, we were told the human genome was impossible, informatically impossible. There would never be enough computing power in the world to sequence the human genome. Now we're sequencing genomes for just over $1,000, very, very quickly and easily. But you know, our challenge now is to be intelligent and what to do with that data. What's interesting about the iPhone is not the technology itself, but it's the way that it's changed human behavior. So we've suddenly adapted very, very, very rapidly to a carryable device that enables us to have immediate communication, immediate access to databases and reference libraries, and the capacity to store endless amounts of images if we choose to do so. And we've adapted to that seamlessly, and to the now point that people feel lost and almost panic if their phone is broken or is taken away from them. That's the more interesting impact of the iPhone. And I think what that says is that we're going to see humans adapt very quickly and very easily to other forms of wearable or insertable technology. I think we've shown by the iPhone example that we have a capacity to embrace that kind of change if it offers us convenience and ease and improves our connectivity and quality of life. In terms of technology, though, I think the biggest strides will come from biological research that fuses biology and technology. And I think that we're on the cusp of that. But it's the more interesting technological changes will come not through simple technology, but by an understanding of how our brains work, by an understanding of the human brain. If we can actually crack that and then interface that with technology, that's when we'll get completely transformative technological solutions. So, I mean, yes. So in the far future, could we see humans being a mixture of technology and organic solutions, and would we basically see a reimagining of humanity in a far future? Again, I see no reason why not in the far future.